Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset all settings on the iPad Pro 2021 third generation. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up. Next, you want to tap on settings on the home screen. And in here, in settings, you want to go down and tap on general. Next, in the general settings, you want to scroll down and tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. In here, you need to put in your passcode and then tap on reset and then tap on reset again. And that's it. Now you can see the iPad will reset all the settings. Now reset the settings will not cause you to lose any data. It's simply just going to reset the settings such as the home screen layout. Your network connections will be reset. So for example, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. In some cases, it can fix a lot of issues if you have issues like network connectivity. If you cannot use your mobile data, for example, reset the settings can help clear the cache, and perhaps it also could fix the bugs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.